heli people, what do we have here? A Walkera V450D03 6-axis systems gyro, right? And it's one of the most stable helicopters in the market, right? So everything here now is stock. You have a Walkera high-speed digital servo for the tail, the 6-axis gyro, right, from Devo, right, Walkera ESCs, right, and Walkera motor. Everything is still stock in this heli, right? The blade is a carbon blade, which is a fantastic piece of blade compared to fiber. What we're going to do for this, I'm going to upgrade this guy, right, with the H1 GPS H1 from Flywing, right? But in order to do so, we need to upgrade the receiver with the 10 channels, right, and the transmitter. Now the current transmitter is this. It's a Devo 7, right, which has 6 to 7 channels, right? And we're going to change all that, right? And this guy gonna put in the Flywing GPS H1, right? Everything else won't restock. I'm not going to replace the motor. I'm going to replace the ESC, right, with the hobby wing, right? The reason why I do this is, well, a lot of people say that this heli is good, but it's not worth buying. But I find it's okay, you know, for a beginner. And right, I like to meddle with things, so I'm going to change all this to H1 GPS, right? And also I'm going to put in a scale body. Now what's going to be the scale body later on, we'll keep it a mystery for now. Okay, here you go. Happy flying. Right, but before that, let's look how stable is this guy. Look at that, guys. Walkera V450D03. Stock RTF heli. That is so stable. It's very windy today, and you can see that it's still hovering just nice. Right? What do you think? Oh, very windy. how stable it is. Look at that. That's how stable the heli is. Do you need a H1 GPS? Perhaps not, but for the fun of it, yeah.